Okay, so it looks like we got our full, complete front end assembly. We got the lights in it. So it is definitely looking good. Bottom strut looks excellent. And then the top cross member bar, I actually put in a couple of sheets on the top of clear plexi, and then I sanded it with a 600 grit to give it that frosted window look. Unfortunately, it was not flexible enough to contour around inside the main head itself. But all in all, I think this thing came out looking beautifully. So we still got some touch-up sanding and then repainting in spots, and obviously we got to run a gap filler down the center line to mask the light bleed through, but we are looking good.